With roof racks or crossbars installed on the roof of your Toyota, you can benefit from a range of rooftop attachments, including a luggage box. Available from your Toyota retailer, it's simple to install yourself. If you've verified the placement of your roof racks or crossbars, you're ready to place the luggage box on top. This action is performed most easily with 2 people. Next, use the supplied key to unlock the box, open the lid to perform the installation. This is done with 4 supplied clamps. Insert the fixations into the slots and gently push at points above the roof racks. Before tightening the clamps, take a minute to verify the correct placement of the box, looking at it from all angles. The box must be centered and must not obstruct the opening of the trunk. The 4 clamps may now be tightened. Turning the knobs clockwise, make sure the fixations clamp the roof racks very tightly to prevent any movement whatsoever. You may now attach the 2 restraining straps. Always use them to secure the load while driving. This will prevent items from shifting, which could damage them or destabilize the box. Once the load is securely strapped down, close the box and lock it. Finally, to ensure that all drivers of your vehicle know the total height of the car with the luggage box, write the height onto the provided sticker and attach it to the luggage box. The luggage box is designed to carry a maximum load of 50 kilograms. However, consult the vehicle owner's manual to verify the maximum allowed roof load for your car. Distribute the load so that half the weight is positioned in the middle between the roof racks. Never transport heavy items that could shift easily. The luggage box may change the behavior of the vehicle on the road. For safety reasons, never drive faster than 120 km per hour with a load on the roof. And make sure there's sufficient clearance when entering a parking garage. Remove the luggage box from the vehicle before entering a car wash or when it's not in use to reduce fuel consumption and wind noise. If you have any difficulty installing your luggage box, visit a Toyota retailer. There, you'll receive expert assistance and the best possible care for your Toyota, ensuring that your driving experience remains safe and pleasurable.